If you're looking for a way to use Salesflare for content marketing, you're in the right place. Salesflare is a powerful customer relationship management CRM tool that can help you automate many aspects of your sales and marketing processes, especially when it comes to managing content marketing campaigns. In this video, I'll explain how you can integrate Salesflare with your content strategy and leverage its features to get the best results. First things first, Salesflare's ease of use and automation features make it a great fit for content marketers looking to streamline their workflows. When you start using Salesflare, you're essentially putting all your content marketing data in one place. Whether you're tracking customer interactions, content performance, or lead generation efforts, Salesflare allows you to automate a lot of manual tasks, giving you more time to focus on content creation. One of the best ways to use Salesflare for content marketing is by managing your contacts and leads more efficiently. The software automatically tracks your emails, calls, and meetings, so you have a clear picture of your relationship with each lead. For content marketers, this means you can segment your audience effectively and send personalized content to the right people. You can use Salesflare's smart tagging system to categorize leads based on their interests or behaviors and tailor your content strategy accordingly. Another powerful feature of Salesflare is its ability to help you with content distribution. Once you've created your content, you can easily integrate Salesflare with your email marketing platform to distribute it to the right audience. With automation, you can set up drip campaigns that nurture leads through the sales funnel with targeted content at each stage of the buyer's journey. Salesflare also gives you valuable insights into how your content is performing. The software tracks interactions with your content, whether it's an email, a blog post, or a social media update, and provides you with detailed analytics. This way, you can quickly see what's working and what isn't, allowing you to adjust your content strategy in real time. You'll be able to identify which topics resonate most with your audience and focus on creating more of that type of content. One of the features I find most useful for content marketing is Salesflare's automation of follow-ups. After sending out a piece of content, you can schedule follow-up emails or reminders based on a lead's interaction. For example, if a lead clicks on a blog post or downloads an ebook, Salesflare can automatically trigger an email to send them related content, keeping the conversation going and increasing the chances of converting them into a customer. What's great about Salesflare is its flexibility. It's not just about sending content, it's about building meaningful relationships. You can track and nurture your leads using a combination of content, emails, and reminders. Plus, its integration with other tools like Zapier makes it easy to link up with your existing content marketing stack. This means you can seamlessly sync your content management systems, analytics platforms, and CRM data in one central hub. To really maximize the power of Salesflare for content marketing, you'll want to utilize its reporting features. The software offers robust reporting that gives you deep insights into your sales pipeline, the success of your content campaigns, and more. You can generate reports based on specific campaigns, tags, or individual pieces of content, so you can quickly evaluate what's delivering the best ROI. And here's the best part. If you're interested in trying Salesflare for free, you can use our exclusive link below to get started with an extended free trial. This will give you full access to the platform, allowing you to experiment with all its features to see how it can fit into your content marketing strategy. To wrap it up, Salesflare is a game changer for content marketers. It automates tedious tasks, helps you track content performance, and ensures your audience is getting the right content at the right time. So, if you're looking to scale your content marketing efforts and improve your lead nurturing, Salesflare is definitely worth a try. Don't forget to click the first link below for your exclusive free trial and bonus features. By using Salesflare, you can boost your content marketing efforts and streamline your lead management, turning more prospects into loyal customers.